Hello everyone, here is the workbox for my 3-year-old who is turning 4 in October, and these are the activities she'll be doing in the coming week. So this September 1st is a holiday in Singapore, so we have only 4 days activity this time. So starting from the Monday activity, so last week we did not do one day, so those activities are moved to the next week. So this was last week's activity where she had to count and write a number here. So this she will do. This is a DIY. It's a food pyramid. So she's into healthy eating somehow herself. She is very careful. It has sugar, or she doesn't drink any milk, no dairy, and fruits and vegetables. So because she is very health conscious in that way, positive way, so I just thought to introduce this food pyramid to tell her that what is most important for us to eat and what is least important for us to eat, and how then she'll sort out these. I had taken the stickers and put them on a hard cover, you can say. These stickers, like this is rice, so this is a grain, so that she'll put, and we should drink lots of water. So like that we'll do this activity. This is reading plus making the words. So ice cream sticks, I put some magnet in it. This is again no, this is a special box I got from IKEA. So she'll read the word up, and with the magnetic alphabet she'll try to make the word. So I have only some words, CVC or 2-letter words, easy words which she can read very easily, and then she'll make it. So for the Tuesday, so first is this reading. So these all words she can read very easily. She know how to read them, and then whatever she can read, she can take out the sticker and put over them. This is from a science workbook. So she has to tell which are mammals, which are birds, fish, and insects. So as of now, she knows the mammals who give birth to babies and not eggs. So that way she recognizes all the mammals. So it's a very basic preschooler activity. So that's why I kept it here, just to revise that which animal give birth to babies, which doesn't, and that's why she segregates birds and mammals, and fish and insects, so she can know. This is again a DIY. I had some of these triangular plastic blocks, and I have cut the shapes, some thick cardboard paper, cutting the different shapes, and she has to make these shapes using these triangles. So like I have shown it here. So this is a big triangle, and she has to make this triangle using the small triangle. So she has to put these all shapes in this way, then she can make this triangle. The next one, this one is also from the last week. She did not do this cutting, she did something else. So again, this is a Daiso store book. So here you have to cut in the straight line and pieces, and then stick on the sheet and make different scenes. This is also from the last week, living and non-living. So she knows which is living, non-living, but just to revise, trees, cloud, and all. This again is a maths activity, DIY. I have ice cream sticks. I have put numbers over it, so it's number up to 50. Okay, so you will see it's 1 to 50. So what she has to do is she has to put it sequence wise. So like she puts this one 41, 50, 45, and 45 comes 50, and then like that. So 1 to 50 are there. So she start with 1 to 5, then she has to figure out, okay, 6 to 10, like that, from 11 to 15, 16 to 20, like that. She'll put these ones in order. The last day are again 2 of my DIYs. So this is inspired from Clever Cube's game, which is called Brain Bites. So it's like I've made 15 cards. So example 1, something is blue, there is a heart, and there are lines like that. So she has to search among all these. Which one is that? So you have to search. So something which is blue, and I'm not able to find now. So let's try something else. Example, this one, yellow, circle, and there's a smiley. So then she has to put it like this. So like that, they have different cards. These are the solution cards, and these are the puzzle cards, and then she has to find which one matches where. So I have different things. Some animals are there, some simple pictures are there, umbrella object, train is there, some basic things which she will think about the logic and then try to match that, what matches where. So maybe I have to make a different video to explain what all I made, what all logics I have used. And so again, simply DIY, white paper, stick on the ice cream cone boxes, and all the markers and stickers and colors, and just simple logic activity. Again DIY, dots. This is the when you take the stickers which are circular shape, right, in the leftover. So I have put that one, and then in between I've marked dots with marker, and then this is a dot stickers. I put a number, so she has to count. Okay, there are 2 dots. She has to pick up number 2 and put a number 2. So like that, she has to count the dots and complete it. This is writing activity. First sound. This from the last week activity box. We did not complete it. So just like fish, she has read fur. Girl, she has tried girl. So just whatever alphabet she doesn't know, I'll help her out, and that's what we are doing. This will be more of a orally. I'll ask a bat, does it fly or does it swim? She'll tell me fly. So like that, a simple activity. It's also from the science workbook, but because she can't read, so I'll just read it and revise some basic concepts. So that's all. It's a workbook for my 3-year-old, and hope you enjoy it, and let me know if you need any help. Thank you. Bye bye.